good morning, guys. Everything is packed and loaded. We are ready to go. We have all the recovery gear here. This right here is my air compressor. Got the cooler, camp kitchen back here. There's a rifle laying this way in a case. This is my cooking box. It's got all kinds of the little stuff in it. We have 2 cots here. Have a mechanic tool set. There's a lot of stuff wedged in here. We brought Grady's Desert Eagle, which is going to be really fun to shoot. Back there we have our tent. We have both of these lawn chairs here. We have our sleeping bags and duffel bag with all of our clothes and all stuff like that. Now I'm off to pick up Grady. Alright, so we're getting some gas before the trip. Taking a chance on a gas station cheeseburger. We'll see if that doesn't wreck me or not. And then, can't forget the bowl. So, just went down the highway, and now we're starting the trail. This is a War Loop Road. We're gonna head that way. To our campsite on the Mulberry. First, we're gonna start airing down, and we're gonna disconnect the sway bar right there. Just have a little more comfortable ride. Grady's getting our ARB tire deflator ready. I've never used this thing, so we'll have to see how it works. I think we're about 18 psi or so in the tires. Now we're gonna disconnect the sway bar. This is like a little homemade Jimmy rig thing I did. So this is just like a little cleaver pin with some washers. And then I have this quick tie thing that I'll tie it and get it up out of the way when this swings up. And so we'll have a more softer ride on the trail. Undo your little tie rubber thing. And this comes and swings up, and you just wrap them all together. You know what I mean? Yep. And that's it. That's all she wrote. These rocks? Yeah. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, I think this might be it. Scratchage. Take one for the boys. Oh yes, lovely.
You got one in the face.
All right, we just made it to our campsite. What do you think, G?
I think it's a good one.
I think it's awesome. We're right here on the Mulberry River. There's a bank right here. It's so pretty right now. It's about 50 degrees today and tomorrow. It's gonna be perfect weather. So I guess we're just gonna kind of make camp and walk around and figure out something to do. All right, camp is finally all put together. We got a tent over here with our cots. So we have our fireplace here. Here's our camp kitchen. Here's my tub of goodies here. Got ammo, bag of toiletries, a couple lanterns. In this bag is my old cast iron skillet. Tent stuff. This is like utensils and cleaning supplies. Oh, there's another lighter. That's funny. Seasoning for our steak, coffee, pots and pans set, French press, a couple pocket stove burners, some more seasoning, cutting board, some mugs down here, and a poncho. And then there's a underneath there's a tarp. So I keep all of that in here at all times except for the ammo. But yeah, that's what's in there. I think next we're gonna chop some wood and maybe after that do some shooting.
I haven't split one yet.
We brought the guns today. Grady brought his freaking Desert Eagle. It's awesome.
It's a 41 mag.
41 mag.
Yep.
It's giant, man. That is huge. When the slide opens, it's like 2-inch gap. It's crazy. And I'm just bringing my Taurus, and then we also have a 22-250 that we're gonna shoot in a minute. All right, so I've never shot this thing. Grady brought the big boy. We're gonna try to destroy this rock right on here, or some of those. Yeah, this is gonna be really freaking cool. It's giant. So we'll see how it goes. All right, ready? This thing's heavy. This feels good.
I know.
Yeehaw, boys. Man, that thing's awesome. Here's the result of our damage. Got some little pieces of lead everywhere. Here's one of my 9mm bullets we found. That stone completely just flattened it. Crazy. I think we're gonna get the fire prepped and maybe get the steaks ready and wait for sunset. 9:30. So what we have here, we have a couple steaks that we're gonna put some seasoning on, some butter. And we got some sweet potatoes we're gonna put in the pan. Looks good, huh?
Mm-hmm. What kind of seasoning you got there?
This is seasoned salt, fresh cracked pepper, and some garlic powder. Oh yeah. That sounds very decent. Oh yeah. All right. Potatoes. Yeehaw, keep out. That looks good. Just pulled our potatoes off. They look very good. They're really hot.
Yeah, that was a good one there.
We're turning in for the night. We got a little propane heater right here. We're all cozied up. Actually feels really comfy in here. But I don't know, it was really cold out there. But it feels good. We got our mummy bags. And we're gonna make some bacon in the morning and boil some water because we ran out of water, drinking water. So we're gonna get some from the river. And also, if we hear any armadillos, we're gonna get up and shoot one. We didn't get on film, but I shot an armadillo. Me and Grady hunted for one, and we found one and shot him. Shot him right through the brain. Little headshot. But yeah, if we find one in the middle of the night, we're gonna try to shoot it too. These things are annoying. Peace out. Good morning. It is about 7:30 in the morning, and it's freezing. Got some bacon going. This is how cold it is. Everything's frozen. We ran out of water last night, so we got this from the river. I'm gonna boil it, make some coffee. River coffee. All right, we're heading out. We're almost packed. We just waiting for our tent to dry out, and we're gonna put it in our tub and put it on top. We'll be wrapping up pretty shortly and heading out. Alright, just got to a gas station, gonna refuel before we head back out. And there happens to be a air compressor here, so we're gonna go ahead and use that instead of the one I brought. But we're gonna use this little tire gauge to make sure we're aired up right. But yeah, then we're gonna connect the sway bar again and make the journey on home. All right, guys, well, that about does it. We just made it home. I just dropped Grady off. So yeah, we had an awesome time, awesome trip. The Jeep needs a thorough cleaning. It's very nasty. I'll try to link the coordinates or the trails or whatever in the description so you guys can check those trails out in the campsite. It was really, really awesome. It was on the Mulberry River, if I didn't say that before, and it's in the Ozark National Forest. There's so many trails back there. Anyway, thank you guys for tagging along on the trip. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for your support and for subscribing and checking this video and this channel out. It really means a lot to me. And thank you so much for almost 2,000 subscribers. It's insane. I just wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate that and appreciate your support. So yes, be on the lookout for the next video. Yeah, thanks again. Have a good one.